What's going on? Michael Petty here. So are you open to learning a simple way creating your own cash flow online? So what I'm about to do in this video is I'm going to show you what I do, how I do it online, the very simple strategies that I use to make $100 all the way up to $2,000, plus I build a residual income on the back end. So what I use to make immediate income, same day, right? Because on jobs, we have to wait a week to get paid, right? We have to wait a week to get paid. In online systems, sometimes they have free trials where they're a week, then maybe 2 weeks. So we got to wait a week or 2 weeks to get paid. Inside of MLM, we got to make a month, right? Because they pay once a month. Then on top of that, if you don't make quota, income might drop. You have to have an auto ship of products that you really won't normally buy on a monthly basis, but you have to buy it on a regular basis because you have to stay active in business. But we have a digital product, and you have the leaders, and they always tell you, get inside of personal development, right? They say that. So what we have is Exitus Elite. Exitus Elite is an online money generating educational program. So just to show you that the Genesis package from $100 to $2,000, G100 puts you in position to earn unlimited $100 commissions, right? You can start that for as little as $149, okay? G2000 puts you in position to earn unlimited $2,000 commissions, and that's $23.91, right? Whatever level that you come in at, all the lower levels come with it. So you don't have to buy each one. The highest level you buy, you come in at the G2000, all the lower levels are going to come with it. Now, what I love about Exitus Elite, let's say you have to come in at the 100 level, $149. From level to level, you don't have to come out of pocket the whole $250 plus an admin. You only pay the difference. Meaning, you come at the G100 for $149. If it's $300 for the $250, you pay the difference in the admin fee, and you pay the difference in the powder package from level to level. So the max you're going to pay with Exitus Elite is $23.99. Then you're all in, no monthly fees, no more payments, but you're in position to earn unlimited $2,000 commissions. That's the type of quality we have in Exitus Elite. That's the type of ownership we have in Exitus Elite, right? He looks out for the affiliates. Paul Stevenson keeps everything updated in Exitus Elite. His son, Jacob Stevenson, is also when it comes to support. Exitus Elite has everything that you need in a business. So let's just scroll through and show you the products that they have. This is the G100. This is jam-packed with many courses on personal development, mentorship, marketing, social media marketing, business information, it's business training, high-level courses. You got the legends with seven-figure earners telling you their mindset and their secrets. Just high quality and high-level courses and training that you get inside of Exitus Elite. Exitus Elite is fully automated. It comes with lead capture pages, okay? So it collects the name, email address, and phone numbers of your prospects. It comes with the email autoresponder to do the follow-up series for you on your behalf. And it also comes with video sales letter to do the selling and explaining of the Exitus Elite product for you. Exitus Elite also has a closing team where your prospects call a number. Exitus Elite will answer the questions and close the sale for you. So with Exitus Elite, it is fully automated. Although Exitus Elite has everything you need, from lead capture pages, autoresponder, campaign, video sales letter, a closing team, it also has tools you can add into it, also has additional resources you can add in for traffic. Although Exitus Elite has everything you need, I personally like to use the Home Business Academy to create my own pages and create my own funnel. This allows me to promote one link, and through that one link, you get access to everything. When you click the link down in the description, you'll be brought to this page. When you enter your name and your email address, You're going to be brought over to a sales page I created using the Home Business Academy system. Here you get the Exitus Elite presentation, the link to join, the Exitus callback team, my contact information, and creating my own sales page. I get to share the bonuses that you'll get for joining my team. And to get access to the Home Business Academy system, the link is at the very bottom of the page. One of the bonuses you get right now for free, just for entering your name and email address, you're going to get my copy and paste file. My copy and paste file has headlines, email swipes, social media posts, and traffic sources paid and free. So you can go through here and take all this information. You can take it, edit it, say whatever you want to say to fit whatever you're promoting, and put it out there to grab attention. Becoming part of my team, you're also going to get a mega swap file. Mega swap file has ad locations you can post for free. Just to run through this, more headlines, you get more ad bodies, you get Craigslist scripts, successful Facebook scripts. These scripts are being used as 6 and 7 figure earners on Facebook to get results. You get Facebook notes about the new algorithms, and you're also going to get income proof showing the type of income that you can make inside of Exitus Elite. Another bonus is a 3-generational bonus training, which is 6-figure training. And generation 1 is 29 short videos. Also, Exitus Elite questions and answers. In generation 2, you have Craigslist Corner for Craigslist training. You got Instagram training, a section for solo ads. And in generation 3, you have a series of 20 plus videos giving you the answers to $2,000 commission. This is an individual who makes $2,000 commissions on a regular basis, and you're going to get all the answers in this training. You're going to get free access to MLM Recruit on Demand. It's a marketing course for network marketers. We're going to jump over to resources. And under the resource area, you got your lead capture pages. You got MLM Raw ABC app for more leads. You got a Facebook copy and paste chat script, email templates, search Google for free leads. This is a $15 course that you're going to get free access to. Coming to the G1000, G2000, you're going to get added into our private team Facebook chat. In our private team Facebook chat, you're going to get information that we are doing right now. Evergreen information, ongoing support and training. It's 40 plus people giving information inside this Facebook chat that you're going to get access to. One of the biggest gifts that I also give is at G1000, G2000, I'll put the first member in for you because the first member is a pass up. So if you join anyone else, you're going to lose the first person and you're going to also lose the commission. If you partner with me, every person and every commission is going to be yours because I'm going to put the first member in for you. And a new thing I'm going to add to this, at the G1000, G2000 level, I want to help you build your business. I want to get people, I want to get eyeballs on your business. So at the G1000, I'm going to get 500 targeted visitors to your link to take a look at your Exitus Elite business. At the G2000, I'm going to get 1,000 visitors to your Exitus Elite opportunity. So that will be added in by the time you see this video. So this is how I use the Home Business Academy to brand myself every step of the way by creating my own pages. Even though Exitus Elite has the lead capture page, the autoresponder, and the video sales letter doing the work for you, you can also do a bridge page where you can introduce yourself so people can get to know who you are as a person. Because in this business, we should always be branding ourselves, which is why I use the Home Business Academy to make my own lead capture pages, to make my own sales pages, and to make my own training and bonus pages. This way, prospects will have access to everything that I have to offer. And even through my bonus page, you have Exitus Elite and the Home Business Academy that you can get access to. Now, some free ways you can market your business is YouTube. YouTube allows people to connect with you. They see your face, they hear your voice, and then you can go into a little more about yourself. As an example, my name is Uncle Petty. I grew up in Illinois, moved down to Georgia when I was 19 years old. First lived with my sister and my brother. Started working in the grocery warehouse where I met my wife, and I'm supposed to have been training her, but I was trying to, link up with her. So, we're married now, so that actually worked out on my behalf. But over the years, I want to make additional money. So instead of going out there and getting a second job, I said, well, let me start an online business, okay, that can pay me a significant amount of money. So I started, researching and seeing what's out there. I want to find something of quality. I want to find something that made sense, right? And to me, I was in and out of MLM for a long time, but MLM in the long run really didn't make sense to me because I couldn't really find products that I say I want to buy that product. Because lotions, potions, shakes, I didn't really want to buy those things on a regular basis. But one thing that stood out to me was was the leaders. One thing that stood out to me was all the leaders saying, you got to have personal development. You got to have training. Well, okay, if I need those things, wouldn't it make more sense for me to get involved in an opportunity like Exitus Elite that has that? It has personal development, has mentoring, it has training. So it just makes more sense for me to get involved in a product that they're telling me to get anyway. So now I can get it and now I can get paid for it from $100 to $2,000. And I get to pick how to get paid. The PayPal, Cash App, cash, you can take credit, debit card, and the money is available immediately. So as soon as you make a sale, the money is available to you immediately so you can go spend it. Then I added the Home Business Academy into it because now I can build a residual income because it's a system that's $25 a month, but it pays a $20 residual income. So a lot of those individuals that's inside of MLM trying to build a residual income, paying $150 and a residual income of $5 they get paid on person. Now they can dramatically reduce their costs to $25 and make $20 per member per month. It made more sense to me that way. And YouTube allows me to explain all that to you. And with the training inside of Exitus Elite, you get to learn how to use YouTube to put your business out there. Facebook is another great source where people can learn about who you are. They learn about you through your posting. They can go through your profile. A lot of times when you putting information out there and you go commenting on other people's posts, some people may come check you out. So a good way to do it is whatever video you post on YouTube, also post that same video on Facebook. Because Facebook and YouTube don't like each other. Both of them want to keep you on their platform. Posting videos on each platform will give you much better results than posting a YouTube link on a Facebook. Because Facebook is not going to push that out there. And you also have Instagram and Twitter. I don't use those too much. I do post to those because it's free real estate on the internet. But the fastest way to get eyeballs on your business, the fastest way was you can go through my copy and paste swap file. Udemy and MLM Leads are paid sources. Just go to Udemy. Udemy has individuals on here with a large list of opportunity seekers. So pretty much you go through, you pick a person, just show you real quick. You pick the person, you pick the amount of clicks that you want this person to send you, the amount of visitors, which is one of my bonuses. You join me at the G1000, G2000, you're going to get 500 visitors to your link at the G1000, and you're going to get 1,000 visitors to your link at the G2000 that I'm going to purchase for you to get eyeballs on your business. But you pick a person, you pick the amount of clicks that you want. These are the dates that's going to happen, and that's the price that you're going to have to pay. Hit checkout, and within 24 to 48 hours or the date that is stated right here, your traffic is going to begin and you're going to get eyeballs to your Exitus Elite business. So fully in a nutshell, that's what I do to build my business. I use more free strategy than I actually do paid strategies. Because with paid strategies, people really don't know who you are and they have to warm up to you. But with free strategies, as an example, like you and I, you're watching this video, so it's like you and I talking right now, you're learning about me. That's how you build that know, like, and trust factor. Because people do business with people they know, like, and trust. People join people. People would join you in the business because they like you. It don't even matter what business you're in. If you're relatable, okay, find a way to market your business, a way that's comfortable for you. What works for one person may not work for another. You find a way that works for you. It's very, very important that you get out, get seen, get heard. That's why I like using video on YouTube, videos on Facebook. People can hear me, people can see me, and I can let people know about me. That's very powerful. That's the biggest lesson I learned when it comes to online marketing. Is being relatable, because you're not going to relate to everybody, but just being relatable to those who can resonate with you. and being accessible. If someone asks you a question, someone gives you a call, call them back. Remember, you are in business. You got to have a business mindset. You can't hide behind a computer. You can't hide behind a sales funnel and expect people to give you $2,000, because this is a business. They have to believe that you're going to help them, that you're available to them, and that you actually have the answers, or you can at least give them the training that's going to help them do it, which our team has that for you. We can help you. We give you the answers to $2,000 commissions. If you're willing to put in the work, you can make $2,000 commissions. So as you've been relatable, when you can get a person to say, I can do that, or I can learn how to do that. If you can use very simple strategies, as an example, a post I just made recently. In this post here, I'm talking about my wife. That's my wife. That's my queen. And in this post, I put a link to my YouTube to let people know this is why I'm doing this business. And it's a link to the business that I'm doing. People read these. People do like it. People do comment. And one secret on building engagement on Facebook is you have to give what you want back. You have to engage on other people's posts. Facebook love engagement, right? A lot of people just go on there, post and leave. That doesn't work. You have to engage, because as Facebook seeing you commenting on and liking people posts, they come back and engage on. They come back and like and engage on your post. Facebook starts showing your post to multiple people. So as you continue to do this, you want to put information out there that people can learn about you. So when you put some information out there that people can actually use, Facebook will show that out to people. This is the type of strategy that we share. Very simple strategies. If you follow me on social media, you will see I use very simple strategies in building a business online. And in doing very simple strategies, you can make money online. You can make $100 all the way up to $2,000 using the strategies that we're going to share with you in our team training. So to get all the information, to see everything for yourself, go ahead and click that link down in the description. Get inside, see all this information, get my contact information, reach out to me if you have any questions. My name is Michael Petty, and I'll talk to you soon.